Hello everyone, it's Georgia Sweeting and we're here at Connected Britain Day 2. I'm joined by Carlos Bock from F&W Networks. Carlos, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you finding Connected Britain so far?
Yeah, it's been a great event. Yesterday was very busy and today we expect the same. Lots of interest, so all going great.
Good. And so let's kick things off then. Do you mind telling us a little bit about F&W Networks and your fibre rollout so far?
Sure. I mean, F&W is a company. We started in 2019. Our rollout mainly around the M25, right? Commutable towns to London. We've grown. We are very proud of our success because we have above 400,000 homes passed, which more than 300,000 of them are RFS.
Yeah.
And this year what we are trying to do is to focus more on the sales part, right? We built our infrastructure very quickly, and this year it will be more about focusing on the sales.
Thank you. And so fibre uptake's a big topic at Connected Britain this year. What do you think we can do to improve it?
Well, I mean, many players have been rolling out their infrastructure. Now it's about showing to the market and to the investors and to different stakeholders the fact that we can also generate revenues. And this is precisely the objective of F&W for this year, right? The way we're structured, we have F&W, which is the infrastructure, and then we have our retail brand called Hey Broadband. And Hey Broadband, the plans for this year are to massively grow in terms of customer base.
Great, thank you. And finally, what are F&W's future plans? What can we expect from you in the next few years?
Well, the idea, as I said before, is to focus on sales because our next target is to become cash flow positive. We expect this to happen in the next 12 to 18 months, and by then, obviously, we'll decide, right, whether we want to expand our footprint or concentrate on the areas we are currently covering, right? But again, the good news, I think, is that the infrastructure is already there. This year is more about promoting sales, and we have line of sight of the point when we'll become EBITDA positive, and that's the reason why I think, everyone is quite happy with the results achieved so far.
Great, thank you. Carlos, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great next few days at Connected Britain.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.